Hey guys, Benison here.
And I'm Lauren, and this is Taste Off. It's a show where you guys challenge us to recreate your all-time favorite restaurant dishes.
We'll go to the restaurant, try them, come back, and in 30 minutes, try to cook it to the best of our ability.
And then the challenger will come back and tell us who did a better job.
It's probably gonna be me.
Pretty sure it's me.
Oh, bring it.
What's up?
Yo,
Are you ready for today? I think we're
I
both
was just
ready.
gonna ask you. I'm so stoked.
Okay, so I have a message here from Casey.
Okay,
And so we're gonna see where she's challenging us to go.
let's do it.
Hey guys, I'm Casey, and my favorite dish of all time is the pork sisig from Big Boi in LA. I challenge you to try to recreate it for me.
Thoughts?
Okay.
Thoughts?
So I have had Filipino food before, and
Okay.
I'm obsessed with it, but I've never had pork sisig.
Yeah, I don't even know what sisig is.
I know.
We're just gonna go in, try the food. We're gonna come out as big boys. It's gonna be great.
All right, let's do it.
Yes.
Let's go.
Yo,
My
we
gosh,
made
That's
it.
a really cute sign. First
That's
of all.
super cute. Big boy.
Hi guys.
Yo.
Hi.
All right.
Okay, so we definitely need to get the pork sisig. Sisig? How do you?
Sisig.
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 Yeah.
Okay.
Nice.
We'll do two of those.
We'll call out your name once the order is ready, okay?
Sweet. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
You're welcome.
Order for Lauren. We also have straws right over here.
Okay, oh my gosh, this looks so good. So, this pork. This
Okay.
is what we actually need to focus the most on. Chili flakes? Is that chili flakes or chili peppers? Mmm.
Can't even snap. It's so good. Bro.
I see why Casey loves this. I feel like I have a pretty good idea of what's in this pork right now.
Yeah, same. I kind of want to tell you what's in here, but I kind of don't. You know what I'm saying?
You think you know
wanna
something
give
I
me?
don't?
Yeah, definitely.
Really?
There's a secret ingredient. You feeling pretty good about this?
I feel good. I think that I know all the components that is at least important for me to get closer than you.
I'm just putting this taste in my memory bank of taste.
Okay, save it. We'll get in the kitchen and we'll see.
Okay, let's do it. That is not fair. Whoa.
Oh shoot, that's a good idea. Wow, you're really taking your time over here.
How hot do you think these are? Pork belly!
Okay. Look at all that fat. No idea how much to put on, but that's fine.
How do you do this?
I'm not giving you tips.
Dude, you're doing everything I'm doing,
You're doing everything I'm doing.
but mine's gonna turn out better. That's like the beauty of it. Yo, does Casey like spice?
I feel like I cut mine like bacon strips and you cut yours like little 20 minutes. Okay, 20 minutes.
Spice is spice.
I feel like we could put two in here.
Don't look at me. 15 minutes?
I've seen some like hack videos on how to cut onions, but I don't think this is right. What?
I'm just gonna put that there real quick.
Wait, what'd you do?
Just let me
Let the
catch up.
record
Just
show
let me catch up.
that he sabotaged me. So if I
That was
lose
not a
because of my
sabotage.
rice,
No, that was not
It's
a
your
sabotage. You
fault.
have 15 minutes, girl.
everything's fine. 10 minutes!
What?
Ah!
I have no idea if this is gonna taste good, but the brown, baby.
Okay.
God, I don't know.
This is a bad idea.
5 minutes. Perfect.
Done. Okay. What?
Feeling like a champ right now. I'm feeling like
Yeah?
a champ right now.
2 minutes. Okay, 2 minutes. Where the? Oh,
God, how do I make this beautiful? Oh,
it's totally fine.
Oh. No. No. Damn it.
Woo!
Yo, bring it.
Mine is,
It's something. It's
Yeah,
something.
mine is something
Yo,
too.
Sisig to the max though. Look at this.
all right, it's judgment time. All right, thanks Casey for coming.
you.
We prepared for you your favorite dish.
Okay.
The pork sisig from Big Boi.
Yum. Can't wait to try it.
We'll let you try.
All
We won't
right,
tell
may
you
the
who's
best
who's.
person win. This one's really good. It has that smokiness that I love from Big Boi. And the white rice has a little bit of that sweet taste too. Now for the next one. This one looks a little bit different, but this one definitely has more of that fatty taste to it than the other. I think the winner is definitely gonna have to be the one that's on the right.
Yeah! Let me just do a little victory.
Okay. It was
Yeah,
hard
thank
to
you.
It was hard,
It was
yeah.
really hard. But
Venison, yours is good, and I'll give it to you this round. You did a good job. Okay, well, thank you for challenging us. This was actually really fun, even though I lost. Venison got closer.
You did really well.
Thank
did really
you.
well.
But I still feel like nothing is as good as the real thing. We just can't get closer.
That's true.
The real Big Boi.
I'd have to agree with you.
Yeah. But we did good, right?
Yeah, I'd say so. 100%.
I would eat both of these, so good luck.
Yeah!